Phase 6, the resilience era. Know the flaw. Own the alpha.
The future is resilient. Transparency is the only currency.
A transparent world built on unhackable foundations.
True economic intelligence is shared intelligence. Educating the future generation of market guardians.
Growing together in mind and machine symbiosis.
The new rulebook for a resilient financial world.
Expansion without fear. Integrity to the stars. The final goal for a fair global market.
Equality achieved. Biophilic finance. An economy that serves life.
Universal prosperity is finally within reach.
Seeing clearly. No more ghosts in the machine.
Technology with a pulse. Intelligence with a soul.
Humanity first. Collective wisdom. The power of a united community.
Shared success. The tide that lifts all boats. Protecting the vulnerable with the power of Sentinel. Market peace. The end of the zero-day war. Deep security. Integrity at the atomic level. No more invisible hands stealing your data. The ghost is gone. The new dawn of intelligence. Bright and pure. Join the movement. Claim your financial future. The motto for a new age of intelligence. Stay sharp. Stay Sentinel. The world of TradingMaster AI. TradingMaster AI. Unmask the ghost.